True hardcore craftsmen cannot tolerate the fragility of their tools. Every SALI hammer drill bit you choose is a reliable promise of fast, smooth, and through performance. Jamming free, it goes from start to breakthrough in one seamless motion. It turns the moment of withdrawal into a moment of silky smooth elegance. Break free from cables, and every site becomes a battlefield for the SALI Lithium Compact Hammer. More than holders, SALI delivers ready-to-use installation interfaces. Even when facing tricky reinforced concrete, it drills through smoothly. When the project ends, SALI hammer drill bits are still as good as new. For power tool accessories, choose SALI. Cut, grind, polish, drill, do it all.